Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion aesthetic for school. First, begin by creating a central dashboard. Opt for a clean, minimalist layout to ensure easy navigation. Select a consistent color palette, perhaps 2 or 3 primary colors, to maintain visual harmony across all your pages. Don't forget to add a unique cover image and icon for each page. This small detail significantly enhances the overall aesthetic and helps with quick identification. Next, let's customize your individual pages and databases. Organize your courses using a database view, such as a board or calendar, for clear oversight. Develop custom templates for recurring tasks like notes, assignments, and study guides to save time and ensure consistency. You can also embed useful widgets, like a clock, weather forecast, or motivational quotes, to personalize your workspace and keep essential information at your fingertips. Now, let's integrate more visual elements to elevate your Notion aesthetic. Use dividers, callouts, and toggles to structure your content logically and make it easy to digest. Incorporate small, relevant GIF or images to break up large blocks of text, adding visual interest without clutter. Experiment with different font styles and sizes for headings versus body text to create a clear hierarchy and improve readability throughout your school pages. Finally, maintaining your Notion aesthetic is key to long-term success. Make it a habit to regularly review and update your pages, ensuring everything remains current and relevant. Archive old notes, completed assignments, and past projects to keep your workspace clutter-free and efficient. Don't be afraid to experiment with new layouts, features, and integrations to keep your Notion set up fresh, engaging, and perfectly suited to your evolving academic needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.